Hi, my name is Anna. I'm with Geo Marketing Consultant from Charlotte, North Carolina. We're doing this customized video about how you can beat out your competition online. And since I don't want to waste any more of your time, if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how I can help you bring on new customers, give me a call. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them and see how they work out for you. So let's get started. The three different topics I'm going to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name so that it's also considered to be content that is readable by the search engines. So let's see this picture here, what it's saved as. Polish, Baltimore Street. This could easily be saved as bathroom remodel, Johns Island, South Carolina, or Charleston, South Carolina. Content in our front page should be typically around 1,500 to 2,000 words, and although this might sound a bit wordy, it's what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. If we look at your page word count, we can see that your front page has 413 words, which proves what we usually come across, and that content is something that web designers overlook. So the first tip that I want to give you is that you need to make sure that you have more relevant keyword-rich content that is unique on your front page so that the search engines can help rank your company as high as possible. The second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. And if I do a search here in Google, I put remodeler, Charleston, South Carolina, since you're about 20 minutes away and you might want to venture out to a bigger city if there's a more profitable project there. Anyway, I put remodeler, Charleston, South Carolina, and here below the search query, we go to the map section, and there are 3 listings here. They're called the Google Map Pack. You're going to get about 20% of your calls by being in the spot, and you do that by using citations, which are essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. We have a special tool here at the agency that tells us how many citations you have compared to your biggest competitors. So what would be tip number 2? In order for you to beat out your competition and be on the map pack, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, get in those same directories, and then add a little bit more, because that is kind of what matters the most, is how to rank your company here in the maps. Now the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. Backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps. So it's this part here. These are not ads, these are organically ranked in Google. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link to your page. By using a tool that we have called Ahrefs, we're going to see all the different websites that are currently linking to you. And in order for you to truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're getting in as many places as your competition is in, and then get into some places that they're not in, so you're probably overtaking them. Ahrefs shows that your backlinks give you that you have 70 backlinks. They give you 43 organic keywords, and approximately 3 people on average visit your website monthly. If we take a look at your competition, let's go back to the organic section of Google. It's Citadel Enterprises. Citadel Enterprises is here, their website. I plug their website into the tool that we use. They have 356 backlinks, leading them to 294 keywords, bringing them approximately 231 people on average monthly to their website. So that's a lot of profitable business you're missing out on. And if we click on their keywords here, we can start picking those that are relevant to you and which you would like to go after. Because as I said earlier, in order to beat out your competition online, you just got to rank for more keywords and in higher places like them. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how I can help you grow your business and bring you some new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you. And just, if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how you did on the video, I'd appreciate it. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon.